In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Dmarc record in GoDaddy. This process is essential for enhancing your domain's email security, and it only takes a few minutes to complete. Let's dive right in. First, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and performing a quick search for GoDaddy. Once you've found the official website, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. If you're not already familiar with this process, you might want to have your login details handy. After logging in, navigate to your domain portfolio. This section houses all the domains associated with your account. From here, it's time to select the specific domain to which you'd like to add a Dmarc record. Look for the DNS option, which allows you to manage the domain's DNS records, and click on it. This is where we'll make the necessary adjustments. To add a Dmarc record, locate and click the Add New Record button, or simply the Add button, depending on what you see. From the options presented in the Type drop-down menu, choose TXT. This is crucial since a Dmarc record needs to be added as a TXT record. Now, let's enter the details for this new record. Under Name or Host, type in Dmarc. This is the essential identifier for your Dmarc record, signaling that it pertains to email authentication. Next, you'll need to enter a properly formatted Dmarc record in the value field. As an example, you can use something like v-dmarc1, pe none, rue mail to your email at yourdomain.com. Let me quickly break this down for you. v-dmarc1 specifies the Dmarc protocol version, ensuring that the record will be interpreted correctly. The pe none part sets the policy to monitor your emails without imposing any restrictions on their delivery. This is an excellent starting point, as it allows you to collect data without affecting operations. The rue section specifies where your Dmarc reports will be sent. Entering your email address here means you'll receive detailed reports about any issues or misuse detected. Once you've entered all the necessary details, you'll notice a field for TTL, which stands for Time to Live. Simply leave this at the default setting, as GoDaddy typically configures this appropriately for newly added records. After entering all this information, go ahead and save the new record by clicking on the Save button. Now comes the waiting game. DNS changes, like adding a Dmarc record, may take some time to propagate across the internet. While these changes often take effect within an hour, it can sometimes take up to 48 hours for everything to update globally. During this time, your domain's email policy will start being monitored, providing you with valuable insights into any potential issues. And that's it. You've successfully added a Dmarc record to your domain on GoDaddy. By taking this step, you're enhancing your domain's email security posture, which can help protect against phishing and other email-based cyber threats.